Welcome back. This is lesson 7 in the section of the training worksheet, pictures, and comment options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can insert, edit, and delete comments. To insert a comment, you select the cell you want to insert the comment. You either right click, choose the insert comment option here, or you go to your review tab. My review tab is active already, and click on new comment. I'll be using this now. Immediately, the comment box pops up with the name of the user. You find it in the options section of your Excel application. So the user is Amaka Fernando. So you input the comment you want to input. So I'll just write 35%. This is fair. This is fair sales. Fair sales. All right. So when you're done with that, you can just select any cell out and immediately that's it. So when you hover around the cell, the comments pops up and you will see a red icon at the right top end of the cell showing that a comment is in that cell. All right. So that's how you insert comment in a cell. To edit the comment, you select the cell also. You can either right click and choose the edit comments option, or you go to your review tab and click on edit comments. So I'll click on edit comment immediately. You can just edit the comment, and also it is also important you know that you can resize the box, the comment box. So I'll just resize this. It's quite big. I'll resize it. Good. So this is okay. So you can resize the comment box, and you can also edit this. Let me just say first sales profit percentage. First sales profit percent. Let me just put the percentage as sign. Good. So first sales profit percent. Okay. So when you're done, you just select any cell out and that's it. When you hover, you will see the cell content. So that's how you can edit. If you want to delete, the next is to delete the comments. You just select the cell. You can right click, then you click on the delete comment. You also have it on the review tab section. You see the delete button. So I'll use the right click shortcut menu to delete. So I'll delete the comment. Good. And that is, you can see there's no more comment in the cell. So that's how you go about inserting comments, editing a comment, and deleting a comment. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.